Hey everyone, we're running into a little bit of problems today with Schoology coming up and down. You just have to be patient with it. They've never experienced this amount of workload before on Schoology, so if you just maybe come back to it in about like a half hour or 45 minutes and just check and see if it's up. That's probably the best thing I can tell you for that. One other thing is like the student's work is not appearing over here right now. So if it's not appearing over there, let's say that you're in Mrs. Berg's class and all of these assignments that would be in yours, all of them should be blue if you're in Mrs. Berg's. Now if you're in Mrs. Perpich, they would all be red, or if you were in mine, Mr. LeBlanc, they would all be green. So you would want to click on every single course. I know this is kind of a long way around, but you would want to click, let's say I'm going to my citizenship. Okay, inside here, there's some folders. Click on that online daily check-in, and here's Wednesdays. So you could click on Wednesdays, and then you could go ahead and go in and do that. The other thing in citizenship would have been that class greeting, but that is already taken place. You don't have to worry about that for today. Let's see, going back to citizenship. In citizenship right here is where the assignments are for the day. So if you look on Wednesday, we have a cause and effect thing. We have the read the story leaf. That's in that cause and effect folder, and answer the question. So this is all that cause and effect piece in language arts. Now the writing piece is in the language arts assignments. You just have to click on unit 21, and then inside there's a day 3. So I'll go through it for you guys. Going back, if you're in your courses, health, notice there's nothing in our health right now. Going back to the courses again. So I'm clicking on every single course of mine to just make sure that I don't have any coursework. Now here's the thing that's due for Wednesday, so I'd click on that, and then I could start my test. Yours would be like start a test up here. Let's see. Going back to the courses, then I'm back into my language arts again. Here's all these pieces. Unit 21. In there's the stuff for Wednesday as well, so you could click on that. Then if I'm going all the way down to the bottom for math today, if I clicked on that, you can see the Wednesday stuff for math. Okay. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thank you.